Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make documents available offline in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in the Drive Files menu. From here, you just select the document that we want to make available offline. Tap on the three dots next to it, and then here we have available offline. We can tap on that and toggle this feature and make it unavailable, for example, or just make it available. It's actually a preset that you can set for all of your documents to be available or to be available offline. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.